Very good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine. Okay, now I am going to teach you the story Birbal visits Persia. This is the story out of your syllabus, but as picture composition or story composition will be there in your syllabus, so I am going to teach you this one. Okay, first remember it, this is out of your syllabus only. Okay, and whenever we will be face to face in our Zoom period, I will ask questions anytime. Okay, so listen the story carefully. Birbal visits Persia. Emperor Akbar was greatly respected by the rulers and the people of other country or other countries. Okay, Emperor Akbar was highly respected by the rulers and people of the other countries. Ambassadors, it means Rajdut. Ambassadors visited his kingdom and he too sent his ministers on a foreign missions. Okay, for example, right now also our ambassador from India, they represented India in other countries. They are called ambassadors. They are government persons. The persons are sent by the government. Once the Shah of Persia requested Akbar to send to him Birbal, the wise and witty minister in Akbar's court. How was Birbal? Birbal was very wise and witty minister in Akbar's court. This pleased Akbar and he sent Birbal. Okay, once Shah of Persia requested Akbar to send Birbal to him, and the wise and witty minister in Akbar's court. This pleased Akbar and he sent Birbal to Persia. The Shah of Persia had heard a lot about wisdom of Birbal. The Shah of Persia had heard a lot about wisdom of Birbal and he decided to test him. Okay. And when Birbal reached Persia, he was given a splendid reception. You know, reception, it means grand party. A meeting was fixed with the Shah. On the appointment day, Birbal escorted to the palace. He noticed a strange sight and realized that he was being tested. Okay, now Birbal was very intelligent in Akbar's court. Now what happened in Persia? Birbal reached there. He was given a splendid reception. Splendid reception, it means a grand party. A meeting was fixed with Shah. On the appointment day, Birbal was escorted to the palace. Birbal was highly facilitated to the palace. He noticed a strange sight and realized that he was being tested. He saw that there was not one throne but 5. On these sat 5 shahs in great style. Okay, he saw what Birbal had seen there. There was not one throne but 5. How many thrones were there? 5. Throne, it means, see, here you are seeing 5 chairs are there. Okay, throne, 5 chairs for the ministers or the courtiers of the palace. One of these sat 5 shahs in great style. Their faces were similar and they were all wearing similar clothes. He walked confidently to where the shahs sat. Okay, you can see the picture. All 5 are very similar. They are sat on a throne. Okay, and they wearing same clothes. They look so same. And now this was the challenge in front of Birbal. They were wearing same clothes Birbal walked confidently to where the Shahs sat. Now Birbal was walking confidently where his Shahs sat. As he walked, he observed them carefully. As Birbal walked, Birbal was observing them very carefully. He reached the thrones and bowed before one of them. Everyone was amazed. The man before whom Birbal had bowed was indeed the real Shah. Okay, Birbal was walking, he was observing, and he bowed one of them. You know, bowed, नीचे झुक के, what we can say in Hindi, नीचे झुक के नमस्कार करना. Okay, Birbal bowed one of the chair and one of the Shah. Now other everyone जो भी वहाँ पे बैठे थे, they were amazed, they were surprised. Everyone was amazed. The man before whom Birbal had bowed was indeed the real Shah. Yes, really he was a Shah. Nobody had a clue as how Birbal had been able to arrive at the truth. So he was asked to explain. He replied that he had observed that the other 4 men appeared nervous. Okay, what Birbal had observed, other 4 men, the 4 other men observed nervous. What he observed then, they kept looking at Shah and tried to imitate his moves. जो बाकी के 4 जन थे वो क्या करते थे, जो रियल शाह थे उनकी तरफ देख के जैसा वो करेंगे वैसा करते थे. Okay, try to imitate, it means try to follow the original. Or his moves, it means his movements. The Shah on the other hand looked relaxed. और जो ओरिजिनल था Shah, he looked very relaxed. Thus Birbal won everyone's admiration with his wisdom. And in this way Birbal won everyone's admiration with his wisdom. Here also in Persia it was proved that Birbal was a respectful and highly intelligent person in Akbar's courtier. Okay, so this was the full story. You have to take, if you want you can take a screenshot of this, you can remember this. Okay, and whenever I will ask question, this method is called composition, story composition. Okay, and might be it is in your syllabus also. So today we have taken this, and today we will stop here. Take care of you.